Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge multiple PDF documents into one seamless file using Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever had to combine contracts, reports, or scan notes and wondered how to do it quickly and easily, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know not just the simple clicks, but how to get your new merged PDF super organized and ready to share or archive. Let's jump right in. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top global menu bar or the main tools view. You'll want to find the Create option and from there select Combine Files. If you already have a document open, don't worry, Acrobat's layout sometimes puts this option in the Tools panel on the left or the right, depending on your version. Take a moment here to spot it, and you're good to go. This Combine Files tool is the gateway to merging PDFs efficiently, and it saves you from the headache of manually re-uploading or copy-pasting pages. Now we're ready to add our files. Click the Add Files button and you'll see a familiar File Explorer window pop up. Here you can browse your computer for all the PDFs you want to combine. If you have more than one file, you don't need to add them one by one, just hold Control on Windows or Command on macOS while clicking and select as many as you like. Think about it like picking ingredients for a recipe. You want all the right pieces before baking the final result. Alternatively, you can drag and drop your PDFs directly into the Combine Files window, which is a real-time saver if your documents are sitting on your desktop or open folder. Once you've loaded your files, they'll show up as thumbnail previews inside the Combine Files window. Here's a tip: the order you see isn't set in stone. You can click and drag each file thumbnail to reorder them however you like. Imagine you're stacking physical papers on a desk. Simply drag the ones that need to be first to the top and shuffle the rest behind. Getting this order right is important because Acrobat will merge your PDFs in exactly the way they're arranged here. But what if you only need a few pages from a particular PDF? Hover your mouse over any thumbnail and you'll spot a small Expand Pages icon, usually shown as double arrows. Click it and the individual pages of that document are revealed. You can now rearrange single pages, swap their order around, or even delete pages that aren't needed, maybe blank ones, or a cover sheet you don't want to include. As you drag these pages, watch for the blue bar, which lets you know where the page will be inserted. Don't worry if this part takes a little longer. Organizing your PDFs now means less confusion later. Once you're satisfied with the order and selection, it's time for the magic moment. Look for the Combine button, which is usually top right or bottom right in the window. Click it, and Adobe Acrobat will process your documents into a single merged PDF. The merging process just takes a few seconds, even for big files, so don't be alarmed if there's a brief pause. Your new merged file will open automatically, often with a temporary name like Binder1 PDF. All that's left is to save it properly. Go to File, then choose Save or Save As. Pick a name that makes sense and choose where you want to save the PDF on your computer so you can easily find it later. And that's it. You've now merged your PDFs in Adobe Acrobat, organized exactly as you need. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any stumbling blocks or have other PDF questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials, and I'll see you next time.